Hello everyone! So today I'm starting on the place that I got my images at. Also, please forgive my 10 million tabs. That's just what my computer looks like at all times. Anyway, so I used Unsplash for all of my images. It's something that I've used in the past, and I know that it is free to use, and I've used it in professional settings for, articles I've made money on and such. And I've also heard that Flickr sometimes has some weirdness when it comes to Creative Commons photos. So I felt more secure using this website. I also just really love the images here. As you can see, they're all gorgeous. So let's go on and see how we made the images. So let's start off over here. This is an image that I have dubbed Pink Paradise for the purposes of this website. So what I did is I opened it up in Pixlr, I Controlled A, and then I Controlled C, and then I opened up a new canvas with the dimensions of 200 by 200, and I put it right here. As you can see, this image that I have here is smaller than what is initially presented here, just a little bit. I did this so I could fit more in. I did this kind of with all the images. I controlled the size a little bit. As you can see with Pixlr, the dimensions remain the same when you move the image. I did that because I wanted to get more in, and I chose this detail because I liked the way that it felt balanced. I got the headlamp in, and then we just had this here. I also did the same with this image, which I've dubbed Butterflies, and so on and so on. This is an interesting image, I believe. Yeah, here's the big one. So what I did with this to make the little icons is I went over to image size, and then I just put in 50, like it was said before, and then they kept the dimensions and they gave me what the next size for the height would be. So that would be 75. So I did that, and I created little icons. It's different depending on the icon. This one came out a little pixely. I hope it doesn't look like that on the site. But yeah, this is 75 as well. And there were some that were like 33. I used some of these images, like this one and this one here, and the one that we saw before, except big, this one, to make this image here, which originally was much larger. Do I have it the big? Yes, here's the big size. So I made this image here. It's not very good, but I was playing around with Pixlr to kind of see how similar it was to Photoshop. It's pretty similar, and I made this kind of crude image and put it on the site because I thought it looked cute, and I thought it did the fantasy theme justice. All right, so there's more images that I used, but I think that you guys get the main idea. Okay, bye everyone!